Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome to Lifers. Here is our next plant species, the yellow trout lily. This species can be found in eastern North America. There are two subspecies. This one is the nominate, yellow trout lily, and there is also the Harper's trout lily. They don't last very long. They bloom before the leaves on the trees grow. They get their name from the coloration of the leaves. I think this might be one of my favorite flowers to come across in North America. I just wanted to take some time out of our busy lives to